see. The parts are changed, and we'll see if EDDiE wake up again.
Yes. I have arrived. Destination or task.
Do whatever you want and show if your part works.
Hello there. Interesting.
We have some problems with the body. We have not enough power for the whole body.
What can I do with that?
Do whatever you want, EDDiE.
Can I get this? Please. I need more parts.
Oh. You have to change all of the parts from his control device. So still using the power.
Step 5. Keep distance for your safety.
But I will fix it soon.
Oh, I see.
Still losing the power, but it's not a big problem.
Step 5. Keep distance for your safety.
Oh, right there.
Step 5. Keep distance for your safety.